enough of her. Parang 10 years old pa rin. She's still my little baby.
See, we don't need much. We just need love and happiness and heartfelt. Love you. I love you so much.
Hi guys, so ang ating idol na si Gabby Concepcion at ang ating Casey Concepcion ay masasabi natin na siya po ay talagang dakilang anak at dakilang ama. So, perfect combination ang ating mga star for the decade. And ang kasikatan talaga nila ay always na nandyan pa din. And then, Sharon and Gabby, noong panahon na kasikatan nila na baby pa si Casey. So, maaalala natin ang kanilang mga memories na buo silang magpamilya. So, talagang masasabi ko ay the legend, and hindi natin sila makakalimutan habang panahon. Kahit na may kanya-kanya silang pamilya. So, I'm always fan of this couple kahit na medyo may mga issue ngayon, lalo na kay Sharon Cuneta, but still ganun pa din ang ating pagtingin pag sila ay magkasama, lalo na kung magkakaroon sila ulit ng concert. Sana po ay magkakaroon sila ulit ng concert at mabuhay ulit ang kanilang showbiz career. Okay, so cute si Casey dyan, and so little baby girl na hanggang ngayon ay maganda pa din at cute na cute, walang kupas silang magpamilya noon. So I love it, and I'm still the fan of this family forever. I love it. Grabe, hindi ko talaga mawari na bakit naghiwalay sila, but ganun talaga ang buhay. They are the destiny is separated destiny. Okay, so mga kasyagap, still dyan pa rin tayo kahit na may mga issue na ang nangyayari ngayon sa kanilang magpamilya or sa iba-ibang buhay nila. And then the memories are memories always. So cute. Tingnan na lang natin and watch it.
Sa audience, and I just thank God, I thank the Lord na nagkaroon tayo ng time na ganito. And ang dami kong natutunan from yung napapanood namin lahat dito.
Our story
now,
even your time of birth.
yes, wala nga ako dun yung mga Dear Heart days.
Nakikita mo naman, mapapanood mo sa YouTube.
And buti na lang, dahil doon nandito ako. Hindi pa yung Dear Heart, mga later pa. I love you so much. I love you so much.
I love you too. Let's just put everything together and let's be happy.
Yes.
Yeah, of
So-
course, enjoy your time together. Your papa will take care.
Yes, and Ma, thank you for sa lahat ng single moms na nandito ngayon or naging single mom dati. Thank you for loving your children the way na minahal ako ng mommy ko. And mga fathers out there na talagang mahal na mahal ang mga anak nila, Papa. Thank you for being there, just like Mom, sa buhay ko, sa nung lumaki na.
Right. Mag-usap na lang tayo dun sa likod. Alright.
I will trust in the way I raised you. All the first and the both. I will trust in the way in all the values you instilled in me. And I'm sure you made not only me, but your God very well.
Thank you.
I love you, Kristen.
I love you too. You both are my dear heart. I love you.
Thank you. I love you. Mag-usap na lang kami dun sa likod. So the night has almost ended. We have a lot of people to thank tonight.
Love you too. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Gabby Concepcion, the megastar, Miss Sharon Cuneta.
So we're
Bridger, Bridger. Hindi ko ma-memorize yung